Hello, I'm Mott Tuman, the resident artist here at Jerry's Artarama, and today we're going to be talking about our new product, Schmaltz. So, if you're looking for an artist medium that can give you impasto with oil paints and can also give you quicker drying time and even transparency, Schmaltz is a really great product for you. I'm sure you guys have heard about fat over lean. Schmaltz is a full fat medium, meaning it's going to be your topmost layer of paint. It works great for impasto if you want to add those thick impasto gel-like textures at the very end of your painting, but it also works great as a glaze. If you use it in a very thin layer, you can mix it with a little bit of paint and it'll have a super glossy sheen at the end of your painting. So what is Schmaltz made out of? It's made out of, first of all, a clear alkyd, which is going to help speed up the drying time of your paint. It's also made out of a safflower oil, which is an incredibly clear oil that remains clear for a long period of time, as well as a linseed oil, which gives your paint that really strong film and helps with the impasto texture. So you might be wondering where the name Schmaltz came from. It's actually the Yiddish word for rendered chicken fat, which it looks very similarly to. That being said, please do not eat this. It is not edible, it is not real Schmaltz, and Schmaltz is kind of a silly name, but it is a serious art supply.